Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something real. How to actually save money when you're making around $60,000 a year in the US. Now, I know that sounds like a decent salary, but let's be honest. Between rent, groceries, taxes, and everything going up in price, saving can feel impossible. So today, I'll break down a real-life money plan, how to manage your cash, cut expenses smartly, and actually build savings that last. Section 1, Understanding Your Real Income. So first, let's get real about take-home pay. If you make $60,000 a year, after federal and state taxes, your take-home is around $30,900 to $4,200 a month, depending on where you live. That's your real number, not $60, not your gross salary, but what actually hits your bank account. Once you know that number, you can build your budget around it. Section 2, the 50-30-20 rule with a twist. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, utilities, 30% for wants, fun, travel, entertainment, 20% for savings and debt. But in 2026, that formula doesn't always fit, especially with rent prices jumping and inflation hitting everything. So here's my 2026 remix. 60-25-15 rule. 60% for essentials, 25% for lifestyle, 15% for saving and investing. The key is balance. Don't starve your social life, but don't let lifestyle creep eat your entire paycheck either. Section 3, breaking down a real budget. Let's say your monthly take home is $4,000. Here's how a solid budget could look. Rent, $1,400. Utilities plus internet, $200. Groceries, $400. Transportation, $300. Insurance, $200. Entertainment fun, $400. Savings investments, $600. Miscellaneous, $200. That adds up to $4,000. Clean, realistic, and still leaves breathing room for savings. Section 4, smart saving tips that actually work, 5 to 7. Let's talk about how to actually save. Here are my top 5 US specific hacks that work right now. 1. Automate your savings. Set up auto transfer the moment your paycheck hits. Even $100 a week adds up. 2. Use cashback and rewards apps. Rakuten, Honey, and your credit card's cashback program. They're free money if used right. 3. Cut subscriptions you don't use. Most Americans pay for 4 to 5 streaming services, but only use 2. Trim that fat. 4. Cook more. Eat out less. The average American spends over $3,500 a year eating out. That's $300 a month you can redirect into savings. 5. Review your insurance and phone plan. Small tweaks, like switching to Mint Mobile or Geico discounts, can save $30 to $50 a month easily. Section 5, Saving Goals and Emergency Fund. Next up, what are you saving for? Your savings should have purpose. Set 3 buckets. 1. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. 2. Short-term goals, like travel or a new laptop. 3. Long-term investments, your retirement